How's it going? Strategic Marketing Geek here. And in this video, it's all about seeing what it really takes to make $100 per day online. That's coming up. How's it going, Strategic Marketing Geek? Now, I know there's no shortage of people telling you how to make $100, anywhere from $100 all the way up to $1,000 per day online. But the problem is, it's not that it can't be done, because realistically, you honestly can make that money online. It just comes down to, do you have the right skills required to be able to do that? So the very first thing that it comes down to is you owning whatever product you're going to promote. Basically, why you have to own the product is because honestly, how can you sell me on a, let's say, Apple keyboard if you don't own this Apple keyboard? Now, the person around the corner who actually owns this Apple keyboard, they can sell me on it because they use it in a workflow every single day. More importantly, they can talk about it passionately, and people are going to be able to see that. People can tell when you are talking about something, you know what you're talking about because you're speaking from experience, or if you're just talking about something because you heard somebody else say it in one of their videos. The next thing you want to make sure you do is what comes into if you can make $100 to $1,000 per day is based on, are you selling a recurring product or are you selling a one-off product? Now, really simple. The difference is, if you're selling a one-off product, that means if I sell you on, let's say, this MacBook Pro right here, this is a one-off product, meaning that if I made $2,000 this month selling the MacBook Pro, going into next month, I start back at zero. It's kind of like rebooting your business every single month on the first of the month. Versus if I sell you a MacBook Pro, but I sell you, let's say, my services to maintain your MacBook Pro. And let's say my services are $25 per month. Well, guess what? Every single month, depending upon your customers, you are already going into each month with revenue coming in. So you're building on what you've already done, which makes it really, really easy for you to do $100 a day. But the problem is, people pick one-off products that pay them like maybe 15, 20 bucks, and they have to consistently make 6 or 7 sales every single day just to make anywhere from $100 to $1,000. And if they're talking about $1,000, they're gonna need a lot more than that, a lot more than 7 or 8 sales per day. Now, the third thing and the final thing, which I believe is the most critical thing that you need, is you need a way to sell whatever you're promoting, which is number 3. Now, here's the deal. I can sit here and I could tell you how it's super easy to sell online. I could tell you how anxious I am and how much I love this keyboard and all of that good stuff. But the reality is, if you want to take advantage of the internet, if you want to take advantage of being able to get your message out to a lot of people, then you have to understand how to build a system around this keyboard or whatever your product is that you're promoting, and let that system work for you 24/7 nonstop. Even at 2 a.m. in the morning, you're making sales. Now, this comes down to having skills. Like, a lot of people think that they can do this online thing and just fresh out their job because they lost their job, or they doing it part-time, or they got some unrealistic beliefs that they're going to be a millionaire without learning a new set of skills. You being able to build a system around whatever product you use boils down to you having a set of skills that's required for you to be able to understand how to craft a message that speaks to somebody's pain point, how to lead them, how to build a bridge from where they are to where they want to be, and how your product intercepts them and helps them ultimately get to their end goal, which is whatever that may be. And if you can't do that, then honestly, you have no chance of making $100 up to $1,000 per day right now. You have to learn the skills. You have too many people out there that go out there and purchase a product and think this, okay, I'm purchasing this product because this is what I want to market. But they have absolutely no clue how they're going to market it, how they're going to get people to that specific offer, and how they're going to tweak it to make sure they're maximizing every single person that sees that opportunity. That's the difference between a person who makes $100 a day and $1,000 a day. And if you don't have those skills, or you don't understand these few little things I just talked about in this video, then honestly, it's time for you to buckle down and really learn the skills required before you start thinking about $100 a day, because that's completely unrealistic. Now, don't get me wrong, I get it. The marketing online, the lifestyle online, especially on YouTube, it looks nice. It looks very, very awesome. And you know, you can get sucked in by the lure. But the reality is, those people that's doing that, those people that then made it to that level, they have a set of skills. And I guarantee you they have some type of system that they put in place no matter what they do, whether they out with their kids or off at, I don't know, a vacation or something, that's working for them to consistently get people in front of their offer. And they have a system in place that they done probably tweaked and tested that ensures they make sales on a daily. That's what it comes down to. You're not going to wake up and be able to watch one video and then all of a sudden be making, you know, $100 a day every single day. That's $700 a week. It's just not going to happen. Now, with that being said, if you would like to learn how to get started with this, I'm in the process of creating a product called the affiliate, technically it's the strategic affiliate funnels. Now, the reason why it's called the strategic affiliate funnels is because it's not one specific funnel that I'm showing you how to create. I'm showing you the skeleton of how to craft a funnel specifically for whatever it is you're promoting or whatever it is you're building or want to promote, and showing you how your funnel can be different from everybody else's funnel. There is no more Me Too's. Now, the only catch is I'm still in the process of building it. So if you're watching this video after it comes up, look in the description link below, click on it, head over to the strategic affiliate funnels, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I take $200, the strategic affiliate funnels, and a few skills that I picked up along the way to start making real commissions online without all the fluff. With that being said, this is the Strategic Marketing Geek. I'll catch you in the very next video. Till next time.